In this video, we'll be learning about the concepts which will be very useful in clearing our gas testing examination easily. First, let us discuss about the introduction part, that whenever director sir or manager sir ask us for our introduction, then how shall we introduce ourselves? In order to introduce, first we'll have to mention our complete name, then father's name, then the place to which we belong, then what degree we have or what diploma we have pursued, and the name of the particular college. Apart from this, if you have any experience, then that should be mentioned properly, whether you have done PDPT or PGPT. Now let us discuss the second part, that is, why are you willing to give gas testing examination? This question was asked to me by director sir when I had given my gas testing examination. I had given the answer in the following way. As we all know that it is mandatory for fulfilling the eligibility criteria for obtaining a mining competency unrestricted certificate, and gas testing is one of that criteria. To get the in-depth knowledge about various types of gases that are encountered in the mine, to be able to test the presence and the percentage of gas accurately, to get complete information about the physiological effect of different types of gases found in the mine, to get knowledge about the accurate steps that should be taken by me when a person has inhaled a particular noxious gas in some considerable amount, to get knowledge about the way of dealing the noxious gases when they are found in the different parts of the mine. This is how I had given the answer and I had cleared my exam. The next question is that how will you define a gas? Gas is the state of matter which has no fixed shape, size, or volume, and according to Coal Mine Regulation 2017, gases includes fumes as well as vapor. The next question is define mine air. Mine air is the heterogeneous mixture of gases found in the mine below ground which differs from the earth atmosphere. This is the definition of mine air. After defining mine air, if manager sir or director sir asks you that is there any difference between the air present at the earth surface and the air inside the mine, and if there is a difference, then what are the reasons behind being such considerable or slight difference? Your answer should be yes sir, there is a difference. The reason behind are discussed here. As air from the earth's surface enters the mine, the composition of the resulting air changes due to the following reason. First one is the addition of gases liberated from the strata during mine working. Second is the addition of carbon dioxide due to absorption of oxygen. Addition of gases due to spontaneous heating. Addition of gases in the form of outburst or gas blower. And addition of dust due to blasting or continuous cutting, and apart from this, humidity, that is moisture, is added to the mine air and fumes. Now one by one let us discuss. Addition of gases liberated from the strata, that is, we all know that during the time of coalification mainly methane got trapped into the coal seams, that is in the cracks and crevices or the pores of the coal seams. Now, as the mining proceeds, these pores and cracks are exposed to the working. Therefore, the gases which were trapped in that are also added to the working, that is into the mine air. The second point is absorption of oxygen. We all know that human beings works in the mine, machines do their work, and flame shift line burns. Apart from this, there is some heating and all. All these involve absorption of oxygen, due to which carbon dioxide is released and added to the mine air. Similarly, gases are released during spontaneous heating, and some gases are obtained in the form of outburst and gas blower. Generally, in coal mine, we get methane gas in the outburst and gas blower. We all know that blasting and cutting involves liberation of dust. though there is spraying done, but there is a slight emission of dust up. In order to get more clear idea about Earth's air and mine air, that is what is the difference between these two, let us discuss this table. The table consists of three columns. First one is the gases, second is the percentage of these gases found in the Earth's air, and the last is the percentage in mine air. First gas is nitrogen, that is 78.09% in Earth's air, and in mine air also, that is mostly unchanged. Second is oxygen, that is 20.93%. But in mine air, due to many mechanisms like breathing of men, burning of flame shift lamp, and if there is a heating and all, if machines are working, these reasons are responsible for slight depletion of oxygen. But by regulation, 19% is the minimum amount of oxygen that should be present in the mine air. So oxygen percent in the mine air is less than 20.93%, but it is always more than 19% except in some special cases. At the surface of the earth, carbon dioxide in the earth's air is 0.03%, but due to many mechanisms as mentioned above, the carbon dioxide percentage increases but is always less than 0.5%. Methane gas. This gas is generally not found on the earth's surface in considerable amount, but in the mine air it can be found, that too in the very considerable amount. That is in the form of blower, outburst, or if there is a fall and methane gases trapped in that, then from the cracks in the roof it can come into the working and be added to the mine air. Like methane gas, same is with the case of carbon monoxide also. It is not found in the considerable amount on the earth, but in case of the mines, if there is a fire or explosion, in that case carbon monoxide can be obtained, in that too in a considerable amount. Rare gases are 0.93% in earth's air, and in mine air also there is very slight variation in the mine air, and if there is a variation, that is because of a fire or explosion. I hope this video is helpful for you and it will help you for preparing for gas testing examination. Thank you.